A college degree is worth millions. And once earned, a college degree is forever, as the payoff from higher education can never be erased, broken, or laid off. It was estimated by the U.S. Census Bureau that a bachelor degree holder earns approximately $2.1 million over 40 years of his working life. The drastic truth is that a college graduator can expect to earn nearly $1 million more than his school-educated neighbor does. This sizable stretch and notable disparity of lifetime earnings raised demand, boosted popularity, and consolidated American firm faith in the value and significance of higher education. According to the survey conducted for the Chronicle of Higher Education, the American nation continues to have a confidence in the value of a college degree, with more than the half of respondents saying it is essential for success. The fact that college education is rewarding financially and economically to the individuals in the entire country is not a secret for anybody. An economic value of qualified and competent specialists is notable and reflects as a weighty factor, which has a great impact on the rapid economic growth of the country. Benefits you can reap of higher education. However, there is a number of benefits you can get from getting a college degree. 1. First, college degree is your guarantee of financial independence, stability and secure future you can enjoy, having a steady profession and being armed with a set of practical skills and sound knowledge. 2. The world is changing constantly, so no one knows what to expect tomorrow. Therefore, we should be ready for everything, having a solid ground under our feet. Higher education is your solid ground, which can provide you with a confidence for future, and immunity from economical drops. 3. Higher education can give you an opportunity to master a profession with good job opportunities and skills, which are in demand. After all, education permits you to have steady and gross income. 4. A college degree gives you a great chance to be a master of your own life. Educated person has much more leeway and freedom of choice not only in the respect of career opportunities, but also in sense of moral and spiritual values. 5. Higher education can provide you with a possibility to be a free thinker, to see obvious and hidden implication, to analyze, generalize, and make conclusions. In a word, it uncovers the essence of being and helps increase the understanding of the world. 6. You can realize the most cherished and precious dreams of yours, to become a pilot, to have a gorgeous house on the seaside, to have a chic expensive car. Education makes your dreams come true. 7. Higher education expands your knowledge base, sharpens your critical thinking, and consolidates your confidence. 8. Your college experience can be both life-affirming and career-enhancing. The classroom and the coursework expose you to diverse people and ideas. Overall, it is practically impossible to enumerate all the opportunities you can get with a college degree in hands and acquired knowledge in brain, though you should remember the only one thing that the world higher education opens before you is boundless and versatile. Education gives you something that can't be measured in terms of money that you can earn. It is impossible to place power, freedom, and independence you possess being educated on the same footing as material benefits you can enjoy. You can't buy it for any price, but can easily get with higher education. Click link below for more information. Also, if this content was helpful to you, please give us a like and don't forget to share and subscribe.